Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ARIS HUSHAINI bin ZAINUL AMRI and my ID number is 2020787583.
Okay, my name is Muhammad AKMAL bin Muhammad ISZANI. Number matrix 2020-116-245.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURSYAFIQAH SYAHIRAH binti KHAIRULANUAR and my matric number is 2020956971.
Okay, my name is Muhammad KHAIRUDDIN bin Muhammad ZULKIFLI and my student ID is 2020938421.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AIMAN bin AHMAD ASHRI. My matrix number is 2020320991. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now let's move to our first interface. This is our first interface of the system. We have several features that are available for this interface. The first one is for the homes, about us, user, staff, contact, and news. But there are only two features that are important in this interface. The first one is for the user and the second one is for the staff. Now let's move for the user first. After we click to the user button, it will redirect to the user login. In this user login, users are required to fill the email and the password in order to proceed. And if the user doesn't have any account, they need to register first. Okay, let's say we try to input this email and this password. If the system notify us with this kind of message, invalid email and password, that means that user email and password is not in our database yet. So the user need to register first. After click OK, it will bring us to the register page. Here, user can register the name, Okay, now for the rates. Users are required to choose one of these rates. If the user lives in the resident house, they need to choose 1001, and for the university and or school 1002, and for the industry and the business 1003. Okay, let's say this user lives in the house, we choose resident 1001. After that, click to register button. It will go to this page, data has been saved and please log in to continue. Now please log in using the same email and the same password that we have created before. After the user has successfully registered and logged in, it will bring the user to the next interface, which is the user menu. In the user menu, there are two important features. The first one is request assistance and the second is the search for monitor bill. If the user wants to update their details such as phone number, email address, or their address, the user are required to click to this image. After a while, the system will notify the staff, and the staff will contact the user via email and the phone number that has been provided by the user. And for the second feature, which is the search money bill, if the user want to search for their bill number and they want to pay for the bills, they need to click to the search image here. After the user click, it will redirect to the next page, which is the search page. In this page, the user are required to enter their bill number. Let's say we insert random number here. You can see here the system has notified us that user are advised to wait for 3 working days for confirmation and validation, because this happened because this user is the new user. For all the new users, they need to wait for 3 working days in order for the system to validate their information and insert the bill in our database. Okay, after 3 working days, the user have got their bill number via email from the system. For this user, their bill number is 19162, and the user may click search for their bill number. After click search and insert their bills, it will redirect to the bill statement. This is for their bill number. You can see it here. It will display all the user information and data and the amount that they need to pay. The user are required to look at the detail one by one. This is for the names, the rates the user has chosen 1001, the street address, their phone number, the email address, and this is the start date they used our service, and this is the end date, the service end. The lastly, this is the final amount that they need to pay. Below here there are 2 buttons, first for the payment and second one for the save bill statement. If the user want to save their bill statement, they just need to click it here, and it will go to the PDF file, and the user can print and save it here. After we click, it will go to the next page, the payment page. This is the payment page. User need to fill all these informations in order to proceed to make the payment. Let's say we insert all the bills, the details, sorry. After that, the user are required to click the submit button in order to proceed, and the system will notify the payment has successfully been made, and it will go to this page. If the user want to save the bill, they can click it here and search for the bill number and save it here, save it there. And if they doesn't want, they just need to proceed with the logout. So click logout here, and it will bring us to the main page of our interface of our system, the home page. Okay, I think that's all from the user. Now let's move to the staff side. But before we proceed to the staff side, Let's see the database. This is our database water billing. There are 3 tables: billing, payment, and the user. This is the user that we inserted before. This is for user tables. This is for the billing. You can see here their information, the meter number, the periods of time they use the service, the bill amounts, and the rates. And for the payment, this is the payment that the user has made. Okay. Let's move to the staff side. After the staff click to the staff button, it will redirect staff to the login. Noted that the staff do not need to register because there's only one email and one password provided for all the staff. So the staff just need to remember one email and one password only. For our system, the staff email or staff username is admin and the password is waterhill. And click sign in, and it will bring staff to the staff menu. In the staff menu, there are only 3 features are available. The first one is user list, rate category, and view payment. Okay, let's proceed to the first one first. User list. In the user list, the staff may see all the registered user in our system. This is all the registered user in our system. In this page, the staff have the ability to update other students, the user details, and delete their details. Let's say we want to update the Badruddin details. We want to update their address. Okay. Go to Putra Jaya. You can see here the update is successfully. And for the delete, let's say we want to delete this user, Faris Leon. Just click the delete and it will delete from our database and this page. It will be deleted from our system. And let's move to the second page, rate category. In this page, it will display all the rates that has been chosen by the user. This is for the resident house, which is the rate category is 1001, university and school 1002, and for industry or business 1003. Let's see for the first one first, resident house. You may see all the registered user, under rates 101, which is the resident house. In this page, the staff may also delete and update their details. Let's say this staff want to update bill amount for this user Badruddin. You want to update it to 70. Update. You can see here it successfully updated. And same goes to the delete button. And this function same to the university and school, and also for the industry. The staff may delete and update user detail. Lastly, let's go to the payment page. In this page, payment page, the staff may see all the payment have been made by the user. Here, there are only 2 users has successfully made a payment. The first one is Badruddin, the second one is Irfan Afrifi. The user may delete the payment that has been made by the user if the system do not need it anymore. Let's say we want to delete this user payment. Just click delete it will be deleted from our database. Okay, I think that's all from the user, and user may proceed to log out. The staff may proceed to log out, sorry. Okay, before I forget, there are available features in our system. The first one, home, you can see it here. Now let's go to the other features. About us first. This is our team members. It show about our team members. The first one is me, AIMAN. The second one is NURUL FARHANA. HAIRUS HUSHAINI has system admin. NURSYAFIQAH has web designer. AKMAL AIZAT as system analyst, and KHAIRUDDIN as a programmer in our system. If the user want to contact us, they can call this number or email to this email, or they can just click here and it will go to the contact us page. This is our Instagram, this is our phone number, this is how to reach us, get the direction, and this is how, and this is the WhatsApp. Note that our company is located in Kuala Lumpur, Jalan Pantai Baharu, Bangsal, Kuala Lumpur. I think that's all presentation from our project in the. Okay, before we end our presentation, I would like to thank you our Madam Azlawati, because give us the opportunity to learn throughout this semester. Thank you, Madam.